Hey kids, what we're doing today, we got us a cleaning rod for an SKS. Alright, and what we're going to do, this is a 17-inch cleaning rod for a standard SKS. What we are going to do is we are going to turn this into a cleaning rod for a paratrooper SKS. That would be a 13-inch cleaning rod. So I've got that guy marked at 13 1/8. We're going to cut her off. Hopefully. See what happens. Alright, I kind of cheated. That stuff was harder than I thought, and that high-speed steel parting tool didn't want to cut it, so I cheated. Anyway, here it is. We're going to blue that bad boy up. Let's get an extra thick coat on there. And, oh, hang on here. Hold on, kids. So we got this little shoulder right here for the thread. We got to cut that in there. It is 170 thousandths. Put too much of that on there. So we're going to do that. And then I believe the thread we got to cut is 4 by... Wait, that's not metric. Here we go. I think it's 4 by 0.7. If I remember right. Oh, yeah. Look at all that good stuff. See, kids, that is the diameter of the rod, 198, and we got to go down to 0.17, and we got it marked. You see that mark there? That's 6/10 of an inch from the end. So we're going to come up here and touch off on this. Probably about the time it cleans up, we'll be where we want to be. We shall see. The fuck was that? Oh shit, kids. I got screws coming loose. Major safety hazard. Could have been killed. Darwin Award. Or epic fail. Whatever you want to say. Uh-oh. Find it later. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see how far we are. Let's see, we gotta be 170. And we are at, well, hang on here, kids. Looks like we're about 190. So let's do this. Turn this to there. And then let's see if we can get ambitious and just take 10. Just go for broke. You know, what the hell. Bring her back up here. Bring her up to warp speed. Let's get more RPMs. Let's really put the hurt to this thing. All right. Well, assuming that's not enough, because it was springing all over the place. I got 178. Oh, that is rougher than hell. 178. So, let's just go... we better just go 2. That stuff is... Problem is, kids, it's a little harder than normal. How does my cutter look? I don't see anything wrong with it. Let's give it... Well, I don't know. Tell you what, kids, I'm going to have to finish this off with sandpaper, I think. Tell you what, I got it there, but I think those I even annealed it, and it was still, I mean, it was cuttable, but these Chinese must use the bones of dead capitalists in their smelters or something. Because, man, that is some kind of tough. So... let's see here. Okay. All right. So now, what we got to do is the length of that thread is 285. And we're going to turn it down to 150, and then we're going to thread it. So, hang on, kids. Probably still not far enough. Alright. Where'd my ruler go? Alright. Let's get that on here. Yeah. Odd. That'll work. Alright. I'm just going to clean that up Little sandpaper. Okay, so what we got there, kids, is a 4mm by 0.7. We're just gonna turn this bad boy by hand. Probably destroying my die with that satanic Chinese steel. Okay, kids. It's not pretty, but you know what? Wasn't pretty to start with. Here's the, I don't know, some tool that comes with an SKS, and she tightens up nice. So, now what we're going to do, this, where'd my check key go? There we go. So, this cleaning rod was purchased for an elderly gentleman who has one of those, whatever you call them, paratroopers, you know, like the Chinese even had airplanes in the 50s. Anyway, it's like, if you look at it, it's just, I don't know, it's got a bunch of rust on it and shit, so I'm gonna put some sandpaper to this and, I think re-blue it, so hold on to your lunch, kids. Oh, that's probably too fast. Hang on here. There we go. Oh yeah. All that beautiful Chinese coming off. Oh yeah, it's looking more appropriate for Sunday. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, it don't look too bad. Alright, so now we're gonna take her out. Ugh, quality. And gonna flip her around. Hang on. Close enough. Alright, kids. We're going to do... I degreased this with alcohol. We're going to do what they call a flame blue. So, hang on here.